If you're converting invoice PDFs to Markdown before sending them to Claude, you're quietly destroying your own accuracy. I know because I tested it. 200 real supplier invoices, 3 different methods, and the answer everyone on Twitter gives you came in second. If you're processing invoices, receipts, or any document with tables, you're losing money on every rerun. I'll show you the exact method that got me from 71% to 94% field accuracy, the 15-line Python snippet that powers it, and the prompt structure that locks it in. I'm Lazar. I build invoice automation for clients daily. Let's get into why the popular advice fails on tables. Here's the scenario. A small accounting firm sends me their pain. They get 400 supplier invoices a week, every one a different layout. Scanned faxes, multi-column PDFs, weird Cyrillic line items, VAT codes hiding in footers. Their team hand types fields into the accounting system, and they're losing 2 full days a week to it. They tried ChatGPT, they tried Claude, they tried uploading PDFs directly. It works until it doesn't. Claude hallucinates a VAT number. The total comes back off by 1 digit. The supplier name lands in the address field. And once you can't trust the output, you have to manually verify everything, which kills the whole point of automating. So they did what every blog post tells you to do. Convert the PDF to Markdown first. Use pdfplumber. Use markitdown. Use whatever. Just get it into clean text before you send it to the model. And on prose-heavy documents, that advice is genuinely good. For a contract, a report, a memo, Markdown conversion strips noise and Claude reads it better. But invoices are not prose. Invoices are geometry. The meaning of a number depends on which column it sits in and which row aligns with which label. When you flatten a table to Markdown, you lose that geometry. Columns collapse into a wall of text. The model has to guess which number is the line total and which is the unit price. And it guesses wrong often enough to break your pipeline. Let me show you the numbers. I ran the same 200 invoices through 3 methods and scored every extracted field. Supplier name, invoice number, date, line items, VAT, total. Method 1. Raw PDF upload directly to Claude with a normal extraction prompt. Result, 71% field accuracy. Fast, cheap, but multi-column layouts and scanned invoices killed it. Method 2. The popular advice. Convert to Markdown first with pdfplumber, then send the text to Claude. Result, 78%. Better on text-heavy invoices, noticeably worse on anything with a real table. Method 3, the one almost nobody talks about. Render each PDF page as a PNG at 200 dpi. Send the image to Claude with a strict JSON schema in the prompt. Result, 94%. Roughly double the token cost. But you stop rerunning failures and you stop manually fixing fields. The math pays for itself in the first 100 invoices. Here's why image per page wins. Claude's vision model sees the layout the way a human bookkeeper sees it. Columns stay columns. The VAT row stays next to its label. Stamps, signatures, weird logos, all preserved as context. You're not asking the model to reconstruct geometry from flattened text. You're letting it read the document the way it was meant to be read. If you're processing invoices, receipts, or any tabular PDFs and your accuracy is stuck below 90%, this is exactly the kind of workflow we build for clients at BizflowAI.io. Head to BizflowAI.io to see real examples of what we ship. Automation that runs while you sleep, not just demos. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so the next breakdown finds you.